Hello and welcome to Forex Trading for Everyone, a beginner-friendly course on trading currencies. This video is designed specifically for those who have little or no experience in Forex trading and are looking to learn the basics. Whether you are a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of what Forex trading is, how it works, and the key concepts you need to understand to start trading with confidence. What is Forex trading? Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the buying and selling of currencies from different countries. The goal of Forex trading is to make a profit by buying low and selling high, or selling high and buying low. Forex trading is one of the largest financial markets in the world, with an average daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. How Forex trading works. Forex trading involves buying one currency and selling another at the same time. For example, you might buy the US dollar and sell the euro. When you buy a currency, you are essentially betting that its value will go up, while when you sell a currency, you are betting that its value will go down. The difference in price between the two currencies is known as the spread, and it is the trader's profit or loss. Key concepts in Forex trading. There are several key concepts that you need to understand in order to be successful in Forex trading. These include understanding the different currency pairs and their relative strengths, learning to read price charts and technical indicators, and developing a trading plan that works for you. Currency pairs. The first concept to understand in Forex trading is the different currency pairs. The most commonly traded currency pairs include the US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, and the British pound. Understanding the relative strengths of these currencies and how they interact with each other is critical to success in Forex trading. Price charts and technical indicators. Another important concept in Forex trading is reading price charts and technical indicators. Price charts provide a visual representation of the price movement of a currency over time, while technical indicators help traders make informed decisions based on market trends and patterns. Trading plan. Finally, developing a trading plan is essential for success in Forex trading. Your trading plan should include your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies for achieving those goals. It is important to stick to your trading plan, even when things don't go according to plan, as this will help you stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions that could lead to losses. Conclusion. Forex trading is a complex and dynamic market, but with the right knowledge and a solid trading plan, anyone can start trading with confidence. By understanding the key concepts in Forex trading, you can start to build a strong foundation for a successful trading career. So, whether you are a complete beginner or just need a refresher, Forex Trading for Everyone, a beginner-friendly course on trading currencies, is the perfect place to start. Don't forget to like and subscribe.